Update general site settings. Settings will come preset, but can be changed by client. Title. Title of the page tab at the top of the page in your browser, it will appear as Community Force. Signature. Default signature that is used in the email templates when you select the signature merge field. However, this signature can be overwritten if a signature is entered in the funding source setup section of the system. The funding source's email signature will then take priority over this signature in email templates directly tied to funding sources. Date format. The format of the date that you want the system to use. This will be the date format value used for all date fields you enter in your application. Currency symbol. When a required value is a numeric currency value, it is suggested that you use the currency question type to allow for the formatting of the value into a currency format. You can set the type of currency format for your application values. Can only be one type of currency. Footer note. A footer statement is added to the bottom of the login screen. Admin help URL. Community Force populates this field with the URL to go directly to our client support portal. All you have to do is click on the help link in the admin dashboard. Applicant help URL. If you currently publish a help guide for your applicants, you can insert the link here, and when your applicants click on the link in their dashboard, it will direct them to the page on your website. Logout URL. Redirects the user to this URL when they log out. This will override any logout URL you use in a specific application in the general information when you set up a form. Leave blank if you plan on using the URL option in your form. Contact us. Enter an email address that the applicant can use to contact someone directly for Acitas. This email address will be linked to the contact link in the applicant dashboard footer. When an applicant clicks on it, it will open their email and they can send a direct message to that contact person. Fund label. The Community Force system is used by organizations that provide different types of funding sources. Therefore, each organization has the ability to change the name of items that have a funding source labeling to a name that better suits the organization. When entering label names, do not use apostrophes in the name, however, you can use / or brackets. Theme. Sets the color scheme for title banners and buttons within the site to better match your organization's color scheme. Enable user creation using Community Force. This will allow your applicants to create their user profile. This control should be selected as no if you are using single sign-on authentication. Call external system to update data. This feature is used in integration with an external system in order to exchange data with external systems. By default, this will be set to no. Enable application publishing. Use Yes to show the published checkbox option on the Create New Application. No will hide the published checkbox option. Disable section locks for admins. After an application has been submitted by an applicant, all questions are grayed out and the administrator is not able to make changes to an applicant's application. If you wish to disable this feature, then staff sections are not affected by this lock.